What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have a somewhat older model from NG. This is the Alaska Air Cargo Boeing 737-700 BDSF. This is the converted freighter one, November 625 Alpha Sierra. Yeah, this is a pretty old model from NG in the sense it was released in August of 2022, and I just recently received this through using points to get it via the exchange an exchange program that they have that is NG that has that going on. So ultimately, this is a free model that I got, and something that I realized that I didn't necessarily know I needed until I realized that they actually do fly in and out of LA every now and again. And I thought it'd be really cool to just have a little 737 cargo aircraft from Alaska, especially in the new livery like this. So, without further ado, here we have the box, here we have the model, or the aircraft, the box should I say, with the picture of the aircraft on it. November 625 Alpha Sierra Alaska Air Cargo. Here's the aircraft, like more of the box, sorry. And let's go take a look at the aircraft. I believe I've already taken the card out of this one. Yeah, I already took that little card out. Yeah, so very excited to have this. I've got the 737-700 passenger version. So I'm happy to get the freight version here now. Well, it looks great. This was a passenger aircraft at one point. It's just since been converted to a cargo aircraft for them. So let's get the aircraft here, and hopefully it'll focus on the whole aircraft. Looks like it. Oh, there we go. I think that's focused in on the whole aircraft. There we go. So there we have the little 737-700 converted freighter with the Alaska Air cargo titles. So let's take a look at some of the details. Naturally, this is the NG 737-700 mold, so they've done a fantastic job with this. Their mold is superior. So here we have the excellent cockpit markings. We got Boeing. I actually don't know what that little bit of writing underneath is. I'm not sure exactly what that says. I'm going to see if I can maybe figure that out here, but I am not 100% sure. It is not easy to tell what that says. So I don't know. It doesn't show it like on the box or anything either. Oh, I think it just says proudly Boeing actually. Right there. Funny enough. I think because it's like it's got the Boeing and it says proudly Boeing underneath, I think. But really good details over here above the cockpit window. The little I forget the name. The eyebrow windows, I believe is what they're called. Right on top there, you have the fleet number or the registration like 625 right there on the top, and then the little windshield wiper markings and everything, looking really, really good. All the various markings around the nose or the window or the cockpit, sorry, right there, looking very, very nice. The gear looking good as well. Some good detail there on the gear door. The main door right there, and then you have the nice the cargo door that was added in here. So this is the main deck cargo door, and then as we go along, there's some good details along the top, like the lights, the beacon, some other markings. And as you can see, this was a passenger aircraft. The windows have just been basically like filled in, they've been replaced, so that they are no longer, you can't really see out of them. There is like one. So you still have there's still, I'm assuming, an emergency exit right there that should somehow they need to get out of there. Those are there. And then there's one little window right there. And then at the back here, you have 625 Alpha Sierra and the American flag. CFM engines looking very nice right here. NG always does a good job with the engines. They look good, mounted properly. Wings and winglets looking good. Very nice right there. And same on that side, very nice. Good overwing markings there on the overwing exit markings, very, very nice, and the wing has good detail on it as well. I'll say there is a little antenna right up top here, once it focuses. The Alaska Air titles and the air cargo titles in the light gray. Coming back, you got the tail, the famous Alaska tail, looking very nice. Horizontal stabilizer in this whole APU area, everything is looking really nice right there. Then on this side, just the lower cargo or lower baggage door right there, and right there as well at the front. But all the same details on this side in terms of markings and the titles, etc. But looking very, very nice. Very excited to have this. It's a cute little model. It'd be cool to set up eventually in a cargo situation. There's the bottom, nothing special. The gear all do roll, and there's some nice little antennas on the bottom here as well. So great job by NG there. Overall, a fantastic aircraft, a fantastic looking aircraft and model. Very happy to have this into the collection, especially getting it for free. It was well worth it. I don't know if I would have necessarily bought this, given that there's other models that I'd want to be getting, but yeah. So with that, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.